Welcome! In front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Skagen smartwatch or smartwatches application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Skagen smartwatches application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now you can scroll through the category called For You right here. You can swipe left and right on this bar to scroll through the list of options. Find the option called My Preferences and tap on it, and then tap on the Alarms option. And here we can add and basically we can set up the alarm clock. To do it, tap on the Add button. Now we can tap on Alarm Title and name the alarm. Then we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. If you don't select any day, it will go off only once and then turn itself off. But for example, if you select Monday and Thursday, it's gonna go off on every Monday and Thursday. Then we can adjust the time on which the alarm should go off. You have hours and minutes, and then you can also add the note if you want to. And once you're done setting up your alarm, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and add your alarm right here. You can have multiple alarms if you want to, like this. You can turn them on or off by tapping on the switch, and you can also remove them by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on Delete Alarm and tapping on Delete. Like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.